How taxes can impact your global investment returns. Ever spotted a semiconductor stock, ETF, or IPO listing that caught your attention? Before going further, here is something many investors overlook: taxes. They may not grab headlines like market movements, but they can quietly reduce returns over time. Understanding how taxes work is just as important as understanding the investment itself. 3 sources of returns. 3 tax considerations. When you invest overseas, returns typically come from 3 sources: capital gains, dividends, and interest. Each can be taxed differently depending on the country where you are investing and the country where you live. Your actual returns can differ significantly from what you see on paper. Withholding tax on dividends. Many countries deduct a withholding tax before dividends reach your account. If a company declares a dividend, you may receive a lower amount because a portion has already been withheld at source. Investors often mistake this for lower earnings. In reality, it is taxation applied before the payment arrives. Double taxation. Paying tax in the country where your investment is located and then again in your home country is known as double taxation. Many countries have signed double taxation avoidance agreements, DTAAs, which allow investors to claim tax credits or reduce the overall tax burden. These benefits typically require proper documentation and understanding of the applicable rules. Capital gains. Some countries tax gains only when you sell an investment. Others apply different rates based on how long you have held the asset. The type of investment also matters. Global mutual funds, ETFs, foreign stocks, bonds, and REITs may all follow different tax rules. Even 2 funds investing in the same market can carry different tax implications. The compounding effect of taxes. A seemingly small difference in annual taxes can compound over years, reducing the overall value of your portfolio. Comparing after-tax returns, not just advertised returns, is an important part of evaluating any investment. Record keeping. International investing often involves reporting foreign income, capital gains, and taxes already paid abroad. Maintaining accurate records makes tax filing easier and helps ensure any applicable credits or exemptions can be claimed. Understanding taxes doesn't mean avoiding global markets. International markets offer diversification and access to companies and sectors that may not be represented in domestic markets. The key question isn't just what an investment returns, it's what it returns after taxes. Understanding tax implications before investing is generally considered more effective than addressing them afterward, because successful investing isn't just about earning returns, it's about keeping more of the returns you earn. Access 70,000+ instruments across 15+ global exchanges with dealing. Invest beyond the obvious.